When two elements are combined, a chemical reaction doesn't always occur. You just have a mixture, and the physical properties will remain the same for the two elements. But when a chemical reaction does occur, the physical properties are way different, and to separate them takes a lot of effort. In this investigation, we're going to look at two elements, iron and sulfur, and see how the properties of each are separate and how they differ. And then we're also going to combine them and separate them as a mixture. And ultimately then we're going to actually combine them chemically to a brand new substance. And we'll see what physical properties are left. Let's get started. For this lab, we have two elements we're going to be combining both physically and chemically. On the left, we have iron, or Fe, and it's a metal that we know can be converted to steel and has a lot of uses, very heavy material. On the left, we have sulfur, and we all know it by its smell. It smells like rotten eggs. And we will combine them both physically, and then you'll see them also being combined chemically. And we'll see if we can separate them in either one of those cases. First, we're going to look at the physical properties of both the iron and the sulfur. So we're going to see the color and the shape of the particles. So I'm going to zoom in for you on the sulfur first, and you can have a look at this. So again, you want to look at the color, the texture, the particle size. Okay, I'll try mushing it around for you so you can see exactly what it's made of. Okay. Then we'll move you to the iron next, and we'll zoom in on that for you as well. Just try to notice the differences between their particle sizes, the actual particles themselves. Okay, one more time with the sulfur. Now you saw both of them. Okay, now I'll combine them physically, but not chemically. I'll just push one into the other, and we'll mix it up and see what we get. Now we'll zoom in again for a closer look. So you can kind of see each particle, they're different sizes between the iron and the sulfur. And when they're together, almost impossible to separate. That lab is not performed here because of the smell and the toxicity of the smoke that comes out of it. I've done it a few times, but it makes the room smell. So I do have some pieces left over, and it kind of looks like a moon rock. It's very metallic. It's lost its color of the yellow of the sulfur, but honestly, kind of still stinks. Is it still magnetic? Let's find out. Has a little bit of its magnetic properties yet, but barely hanging on. A couple questions to answer. Fill in the table first, answer the questions, and get that to me as soon as you can. All right, folks, see you later.